Welcome to the Smart Guy's Guide to Investing, and congratulations for being an action taker. If there's one thing that I've learned over the years about smart guy investors is that they are action takers, so you're in good company. Now, the goal of the Smart Guy's Guide to Investing is to help you get an advantage over the average Joe investor. Yeah, like that neighbor of yours with that smug look on his face. Now, how we do this is by giving you an over-the-shoulder look at what I've had the privilege of seeing throughout my 25-year career working with some of the greatest and, more importantly, some of the most likable investors of modern time. So just think about this for a second. What if you had the opportunity to ask 100 or more millionaires how they did it, how they became a millionaire? What do you think you would learn? And more importantly, how do you think you could benefit from it? See, for the last 2.5 decades, that's been my passion. And not just my passion, it's been my job to ask questions, listen to answers, and provide strategic investment guidance to hundreds of millionaires. And the Smart Guy's Guide to Investing is a compilation of the most valuable and unspoken parts of what I've observed and learned from these great investors. Ideally, I hope you use and share with others the Smart Guy's Guide, because ultimately, the Smart Guy's Guide will answer your biggest money questions using the wisdom and experience of long-term, proven wealth creators. Not chat rooms, not hype, not Reddit, proven wealth creators. So let's get started. And we made this really easy for you because in order to ensure the greatest value, we created the Smart Guy's Guide to have 3 low-stress modules. The first module is about 15 minutes long, and it begins with our favorite lesson called Using the Herd to Your Advantage. And you'll have to watch it to get all the benefits, but I should mention that this first module was inspired by smart guy investors that happen to have a hell of a knack for buying at the right time. So if you're tired of buying an investment to see it go down the next day or selling an investment to watch it go up right after you sold it, then this part of the guide is for you. And if that wasn't enough, in this first module, you'll be introduced to your money personality. And yeah, guess what? Your money personality has just as many flaws as your regular personality. Sorry to tell you about that, but this will give you an opportunity. It'll give you an opportunity to find ways to leverage the strengths and weaknesses of your money personality just like smart guy investors do, even if they're not aware of it. The second and third modules of the Smart Guy's Guide to Investing, they build on this solid foundation as they guide you down a path to understanding how smart guy investors use time and risk as valuable wealth building tools. So, grab a drink and let's get started on your path to smart guy investing.